5 of them ain't gonna be going to brown, the orange, or the toothbrush bugs. Because they run dead so much that I just can't stand it. All the new ones are dead now, but I'm not changing them till they're all the way dead because I'm not going to waste the batteries. I'm going to get my other Orbit Green. I can't believe that this green is really bad at working. Are you still frustrated, Mommy?
I'm just stressed.
Oh.
Everywhere I walk, there's mess. Mess, mess. Work. Work, work.
That one goes in circles a lot, though. This one. But at least it's a lot faster. That's the Blu-ray and of course it ain't gonna get up. Like it never will. All of them are changed. I changed them before I turned the camera back on. All the dead ones. Did I change the red and green yet? I think I forgot to change. No, I changed. It's going really fast. Oh, it's purple. That one hasn't, that's the second time it got changed. Brown. Not that brown. I'm getting a new brown of that, so yeah. These still work. I just don't like them eating up all my batteries. Well, that's my orange one that does that all the time. Ow, 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 ow. The battery, there's no battery. Start collecting them, you want to get all the colors just because the colors. It's not that they always be. This is awesome, but the colors actually matter for people. They're collectibles. These are collectibles. You're supposed to collect them a lot. You're supposed to collect all of them, like they always say.